Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in Python. Last time I had once again some issues with the sensors, bumping into objects or ignoring them. Same as the sonar, which acts like there is no object or anything else. And with my other project based on the TXT controller, I found out that I had made a mistake in numbering the sensors, so that might explain some erratic or thought to be erratic behavior. And I want to focus on that first, but let's see how the erratic behavior is true or not for now. So first of all, run the program and see whatever happens, if something happens. Camera is connected, there we go. And it says lamp on. Well, that we saw the lamp on, but why does it drive so slowly? That's something I don't really get. So let's do it again. Unless the battery is fading, but let's assume not, because it was freshly charged. And there we go again. So this is not the way I expected to happen. Oh, I remember last time I had kind of the same problem, and I didn't find a real cause for it. So let's see if anything happens. Oh, this sounds really like low power issue. And again it says lamp on. An image from the camera is being copied, so that is nice. And indeed power is off. And that was a freshly charged battery. I don't like that. Okay, so I need to completely reset up everything. Yeah, nice beginning. Okay, battery replaced, everything set up again. And this time, when I spot something, the power adapter is ready. Spare battery is ready, so let's try again. And of course I had to log in again. So let's see whatever happens this time. I hope a lot faster. Not really. And does it now actually touch the sensor? And to check that, I need the ROBOPro. Well, it touches this sensor which says I2. And that is a bit of a mystery, because if I do this it says I1. So that is one thing. And okay, I1, I2. So this, no, I will have to look here, of course. I1, I2. Okay. And that's a bit confusing, because on my other controller there is a 0. There it is explained as a 0. So I am not entirely sure what to think of it. Anyway, I1 and I2, and let's see how this is captured in the software. And it's defined as 1 and 2. So no 0, just 1 and 2. And they are not being detected. Not that I can see it. So there's a problem again. Also, by the way, it was touched by, well, no, not touched by anything. Anyway, let's find out about the software in relation to distances. And I want to go to a larger distance. And I only can do that on the floor. So let's see. First in the present situation, and then to the floor. See how that works out. Alright. Still not on the floor, but doing it from here. Now this sensor is being touched, and this one isn't. So ROBOPro says what? Yep, this one is being touched. When I touch the other one, that one is being touched. So it is from left to right, it is 2, 1. Very logical, but anyway, let's also see some files. Okay, I don't like this one, I don't like this one. So let's use image magic again. That will be 28. Go. Well, this is obviously this object, and the other one isn't visible. So this was clearly taken before it had a disruption from its trajectory, because its trajectory is like this. It does not have sense. Alright. Let's try again. Oh, by the way, it should, maybe to the right, hint on being touched. Yeah, in contact. Is that being done? No, not here. Anyway. So there's a contact, but it's not being detected, not being resisted. Not nice. So let's do something again. Different position. Go. Oh,
I haven't done the oscilloscope yet. You gotta be kidding me. Not again. It's a 55 battery. I don't like the way this is going. Not at all. Network error. Okay. Why is there a network error? Anyway. Now it works. So, do I see something? Do I see a contact anywhere? Except for, oh yeah, contact 1 is 1. Nice. Which is the right hand side. And it turns to the right. And then it says contact. Both contacts are 1. I haven't seen this for quite a while. But it does work. It really works. I like that. Now it really is time for a floor test to see on larger distances how will it respond. So let's prepare that.
Floor test. Well, basically the same setup. So, yeah, let's see whatever happens. Starting the program. Camera connected, that's good. Okay, this may be a problem. Because it's not connecting anything, there's just sonar stuff. Distance is 5. And whatever happens next. Yeah, lamp on, alright, but next. It counts on, but it says no, it doesn't count on, it stays still, so the motor counters are the same. Distance stayed the same, 5 centimeters, which is not correct, of course. It's way shorter than 5. But then again, the distance may be reliable to 2, so that may be a problem. And that's it. Not doing anything further. And it just keeps copying images, which are all the time the same, of course, because it's not moving. So let's put the whole thing back in original position. Somewhere here. Maybe a bit this way. And let's try again. Network error. Nope. Cancel. Try again. Camera connected. Nice. There it goes. It turns to the left. It totally ignores the battery pack. Why does it divert? And it ends without me interrupting. Sonar between 10 and 15 centimeters. Lamp, and that's about it. No contact at all. Let's try that again. Something like this. Objects the same. And let's roll. Probably network error first. Yep. Cancel and restart. There we go. Again deviation. And why does it stop? Does it touch anything? I don't see that it does touch anything. It reduces speed, yes. Premature enter JPEG file. It should sound a car horn, according to all the text that scrolls by. Okay, let's cancel. This needs to be investigated. So let's just do that and see whatever happens. Quite curious now.
Alright, different camera as you can see. Let's first see if this sensor is being touched at all. And that's a no. No sensor is being touched. So, I don't have to look for that one. And here we can see a car horn to be sounded. It doesn't happen. Smaller than between 2 to 5 centimeters. Alright, lamp on. Empty. Oh. Is that really? Diameter end of the JPEG file. I really don't get that one. And whatever next. Well, of course, no sensor being touched. But some other stuff happened. Oh, let's see. Which is the first one from that one. Look, here is wrong, here, and here since start from 1547 on. So, TXT, and of course I'm now here in the other stuff, 1547. Here. And that's weird, because this is an image that is very, very close captured, obviously. Is this really the first one? 48 is obviously later. Here I start the program. And 4750. This is the first image taken. And yet it has to drive a long way and then it captures this one. Okay, let's look at the photo. Is that correct? I have uncommented this one. Let's remove that comment. And let's remove this one as well. That makes a lot clearer, of course. If I want to have things captured and it is commented, then you can do a lot, but nothing happens. Alright, this one is nice. Okay. Hence, in this case, nothing has been captured because this one was the only one active. Oops. So let's run again. Now with all of them active. Nice distance. Hopefully no diverging from the trajectory. Let's go. Probably a network error. Yes, as usual. Let's check this one. What happens here? No contacts. One image file, as far as I can see. Yes. Which one is this? At which time? This is TXT image 2215, 55. Yeah, right. It's a zero image. It's a zero image. Why does it make a zero image anyway? And alright, let's check for this one. Yep. So that is the left side one. That is being touched. Although it doesn't say, because here it is directly at the start, and camera action 0 is being done, and camera action 0 is apparently absolutely nothing, but it should be. So, where else to go? That's a very good question. Time to think a bit.
Alright, last part for this episode. Larger distance, and as you can see here, that it has pushed this object further away. So yeah, it is lighter than this one, but it hasn't touched this one in a while. So let's roll it again. Whatever is happening. Of course, the network error first. There we go. What happens? A deviation. No touching. Yeah, nice light, but and it stops. So what is the first image being taken? That's a 0, that's nice, and all images are full. No, that's not right. The last image is a 0. So the question is, what is the first image? And unfortunately now I can't show you on screen, so let's see the first one. TXT image, that is 16:1:22 and go. Yes, that is a far away taken image. And well, you will be able to see it you will be able to see it on my Instagram picture, and probably on the screenshot in my blog. Yeah, I think I will put it there. But that does work. It proves it works. Far away shots do work, and then when it comes closer, it still works. Only the very last shot is 0, so that doesn't do. But it has that nasty, very irritating course deviation that it only takes to the left. Why is that happening? And oh, by the way, the whole subject of OpenCV, which this is meant to correct that, to stay on course. How do I do that using two objects? That's a very good question. I think I will have to change my strategy on that. That it only selects red or yellow or whatever the color is that I choose, to correct itself there. And I think that I will have to do that with tests on the floor, because those distances are largest. So I think that is a clear strategy to follow. Anything else? Yeah, I do it again. One test is no test. And then as well, I have to put images at the same location, at the same distance. So this one will go here. See whatever happens. Probably a network error first. Yes. Oh, error. Yeah, network error. Okay, last write. Camera connected, very nice. There we go. Okay. And it stubbornly goes on. And goes on. And goes on. And doesn't stop. Yeah. With the light flashing. And stops just before it touches another object. But this is a very clear, it touches and I don't respond. Ouch. And it still goes on. Yep, and the light. But this is wrong. Okay, let's end this. This is an oops. But enough findings to not just stop but go on. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like, very much appreciated. You can also follow me on Instagram. Like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. Retweet, like, leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Either on my website or on website and with the video. Very much appreciated. And this is going to be continued, obviously.